Miraculous gardening. Top tips for beginner gardeners. Miracle tip number 1. Choose wisely. Pick plants that grow well where you live. Miracle tip number 2. Follow the light. Plant in a place that gets at least 6 hours of sun. Miracle tip number 3. Grow near a water source. Make sure your hose reaches your garden. Miracle tip number 4. Use good soil. Choose soil that drains well and is full of nutrients. Miracle tip number 5. Put it in a pot. If you're short on space, grow a container garden. Miracle tip number 6. Add some mulch. 2 or 3 inches of mulch helps keep moisture in and weeds out. Miracle tip number 7. Feed them right. Treat your garden to plant food to help your plants grow like champs. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.